Imagine you are met with the following situation. You just created some sort of acoustic or electrical guitar vibe, like I just did with Strum Session, and now you just want it to be wider, like you played multiple guitars and recorded all of them individually. Every guitar has a similar expression but not quite the same. How would you do that? Do you go into the MIDI now and pseudo randomize every single note? And I'm talking not just for Bitwig users. Normally that would work, but I'm using the loop mode here, which uses a pre-made sequence for what should be played. And yeah, that's not just a thing in Strum Session. A lot of contact libraries are also like that. So what do you do when you are met with this situation? My solution was to make a layer of two of these instruments, and one of the layer is panned to the left and the other layer is panned to the right. And in terms of settings, these layers work exactly the same. The only difference is that the speed parameter is on a different value. And now I try to make this even more of a thing, but now it gets a little bit Bitwig specific because I will instantiate a randomizer. And this randomizer will now randomize the strumming speed on both instances. Actually, I need two different randomizers so that it's more like each of the guitars was recorded at a different moment in time, because obviously it would also be the case that at a certain moment in time the strumming speed is different between the two instances. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Actually, I'm wondering why there is no parameter for that in the plugin itself, because it just sounds so natural. First of all, a parameter for randomizing the speed to a certain degree, and of course, secondly, a randomizer for offsetting this randomization for the second audio channel. This is just such an easy way to make things wide, and there is no other feature in here that can do that. Like the reverb can, well, it's a reverb, but you know, reverbs are so boring sometimes. You just sometimes need to get something that has more fundamental energy, and layering something, even if artificially, is just one of these things. Nice.